Hey, it's Tammy Lynn Hancock, and I'm the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could too if you just don't give up. My job here online is to teach you how to be a superstar, a rock star in your business by using attraction marketing. And today's topic is all about authenticity, integrity, being truthful. The things that are key with us being successful in our online businesses. So today I'm showing you an example of authenticity because I'm just being me. I have just finished working in the garden. I'm a hot, sweaty mess. I have dirt all over me. I am drinking my energizing pineapple orange mango drink. Hey, Sarah, nice to see you on. And I'm taking a break on this beautiful summer day here in Florida by my bamboo and my fairy garden behind me. And so I thought what I'd do is just talk to you guys a little bit about authenticity, integrity, honesty, all those things that are so important. And if you guys have some comments as I'm talking, just please put your comments. I'm so glad you're all here. Debbie, thank you so much for being here. So why is authenticity, honesty, integrity so important as we are building our online business? The keys to attraction marketing is you just being you. It's all about you being genuine. It's all about you showing yourself as you are. And so that's why today, I don't have my makeup on. I'm a dirty, sweaty mess. This is how I am today. But that's because that's life, and I want you to see how I am. And by you seeing how I am, you get to see me as a real person. And because I was doing the same thing that you might be doing in your garden today too, right? So what are the values of gaining, of being a person of authenticity? It's showing that you are vulnerable. It's showing that you are real. And when you are being true to who you are, not trying to be somebody else, not trying to be your upline, not trying to be somebody who's super, super famous in the attraction marketing, network marketing world, just being yourself, then people will be able to gain trust in you. And when people gain trust in you, they will like you, they feel like they know you. And when it comes to them getting to the point of wanting to buy product, who are they going to buy product from? They're going to buy product from you. Oh, thanks, Debbie. Oh, you're watching with the hummingbirds in your garden. Oh, I wish I had hummingbirds. I moved in from the coast of Florida. I was right on the Atlantic Ocean. So I moved in maybe about 15 minutes. And so I'm off of the barrier island. And so hopefully I'll be able to get some of those hummingbirds too. The other thing is the importance of having integrity and authenticity and honesty and all those things in your business is because you're getting rid of the idea of a secret loophole. Have you ever had contacts or people that you're talking to and they're saying, "Oh, that sounds very nice, but what's the hidden loophole, or what's the catch?" Have you said that to people too? When we do that, it's because we're feeling a little bit distrustful. And when we're feeling distrustful of somebody, our guard is up. And when our guard is up, we're not listening too carefully because we don't have no like and trust with someone. So if you are not being truly genuine to who you are, if you're not being authentic to who you are, if you're not just letting your personality show through, then people are going to see that a mile away. And when people see that stuff a mile away, they're going to run away from you. They're going to have no reason to want to read your content and read the things that you have on your Facebook posts. So, hey, Delaney and Melanie, good to have you here. So there's great value in that. Also, when you're being authentic with people, people are going to want to follow you. They're going to follow you on Facebook. They maybe will follow you on Instagram or YouTube, wherever you're promoting yourself, for those same reasons, because you are being genuine. We live in a world today where a lot of people are just out there for the big buck. And they are going to say, "Hi, I want to be your friend. Will you buy my product?" And if you say no, even very politely, they run away and they don't hang around with you anymore. The difference with attraction marketing is that you're not like that. You're a person of value. So part of what you're doing is building and engaging with your audience. And that means, going to their Facebook page and saying, "Hey, hey, Deborah, good to have you." That's a place where you're you're commenting on the picture of their garden. You're commenting on the picture of their grandchild. You're putting more than just likes and hearts on their profiles. You're engaging with them because they have to see that you care about who they are as well. You see, hey Lee, good to have you on. So those are really important for you to be able to establish trust. As you're building your authenticity, be yourself. As I said earlier, one of the reasons why I come on sometimes when I'm looking gross and dirty and sweaty is because I know you look like that too, right? Not all the time, but sometimes we do look like that. And sometimes I might be doing it with my hair all in a mess, and sometimes I'll be looking like a beauty queen. But that's life. Sometimes we look really great, and sometimes we don't. If you want to be yourself and you like the Beatles, then put the Beatles music on in the background. Just be authentic to you. If you like to play an instrument, well, get on there and do a live with your instrument and sing to your peeps. Why not? I do my Monday giggles. Now I know that's the stupidest thing in the whole wide world, but I like it. It's funny. It's me. I'm one of those silly kind of people that I'm known to go to the airport dressed up like a caterpillar and pick somebody up. I mean, I do those crazy things. So, be authentic to who you are. And the word that you hear a lot in attraction marketing is congruency. That's a fancy word that means that when people look at you at all different aspects, in your business, on your Instagram, and your business pages, in your groups, they see you as being consistently the same kind of person. Hold on, I got to take a drink of this. It's really good. Later on today, because it's too early, I will have some of my Tennessee whiskey. And if you watch my last one, it's an orange cream Tennessee whiskey that's really good. I just have a little glass, but it's really fun to have on Saturdays. Okay, hey, Waylon, Glenda, good to have you on. Okay, so we're talking a little bit about the importance of integrity and congruency. So when you're congruency, you're the same all the way around, people will begin to know, like, and trust you. Are you getting the ideas? Give me some thumbs up and some hearts if I'm making some impact with you here. The goal with your attraction marketing is to be you, not to be anybody else. Don't try to be anybody else, just be you and be consistent. And when you're you 100% and you're consistent 100%, thank you, and you're out there and you have figured out who your target market. If you don't know who your target market, drop the word target market below and I'll help you. If you're struggling and you're saying, I don't understand the concepts of attraction marketing, I've watched your videos for a while, I want you to know I have a boot camp coming up, and drop the word boot camp below and I can get you into the boot camp. It's free Facebook boot camp for 5 days that I'm co-leading with another Dream Team leader. So that's coming up on October 1st. If you want to get in on that, just drop the word boot camp below. But you need to know your target market. You need to be true to yourself. Once you know you're true to yourself, you know your passion, then you'll be able to put content that is valuable to your target market. It's like a rolling ball. Let me put my drink down. So I want you to think of a circle. So you're here at the top of the circle, and you have to know who you are. You have to know what your passion is. What are you passionate about? You have to be clear about that your business and your passion should align together so that you can be clear about who your target market is. When you're clear about your target market, then you can address their pains and their struggles and their problems. And then you can build and engage with your target market. Build and engage with your target market, and you become a person of value, and you see how the circle goes round and round and round. So those are the main concepts with attraction marketing. Debbie, I will send you a link to the boot camp. I can get you in that to start, and then I'll tag you in the Facebook group. But I hope that gave you guys some clarity. Just to wrap up today, there is an importance, and you need to be the one that stands out. And attraction marketing will be the key to having you stand out, because you're not out there trying to spam people. You'll be thinking of them as people, not as dollar signs. think about their needs, support their needs, meet their struggles. And when people know, like, and trust you, they will buy from you. You will gain followers. You will gain trust. You will gain, yeah, Delana. Oh, yeah, I will send you a link too, Delana. Hey, Goldie, glad to have you. You will gain know, like, and trust, and you will be successful. Will it be tomorrow? No, because nothing that's really true success is going to come tomorrow. But if you are consistently showing up with attraction marketing and you're working it consistently, not just for 5 minutes a day, but consistently, for 90 days, you're going to see a great change. And then the next cycle is another 90 days. And then the third cycle is another 90 days. You will see tremendous change. Does it work? Yes. But it all starts with you. And every one of you that are watching, you are valuable. You can do this. You are watching me because you have the same kind of values as I do, and that you want to apply attraction marketing and to grow your business. You just need the coaching and the tools to do it. I know you can do it, because if I can do it, anybody can do it. So listen, you guys, you have a great day. I'm going to have another drink of this wonderful, it's really good. It's an energizing pineapple orange mango drink. Hold on. Does anybody have any questions before I go off the live? If you got a question, just stick it in there and I will answer it. If not, just drop me a message. You can message me personally. You can hit the 3 buttons at the top of your screen and follow me when I go live, because I'm one of those serendipity people. You never know when I'm going to go live, and you're never going to know what I'm going to say. If you need some help with mindset, and you would like me to give you a link to the page where I go and really help improve my mindset, put the word mindset below as well. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and go inside, finish my nice, I'm going to sit out here for a while, enjoy the sun in the shade, drink my drink, and then I'm going to go inside and work some more on my business. So listen, you guys have a great day. Work on your mindset. Work on being authentic. Be true to who you are. Okay, the quick question. Okay, how do I get more viewers on your lives? And Debbie, yes, I'll give you information on mindset. Okay, how do you get more views on your live? What you need to do is, it goes back, remember when I was describing the circle? You have to be clear on who you are. Then you have to be clear on what your passion is, what it is that you want to talk about all the time. Sometimes your passion might not align with the business that you're in, and then that's something we got to talk about. But if your passion and your business are aligned, and you can, like, say it's weight loss, you can talk about weight loss till you're blue in the face, then you are in the right business that matches your passion. And then you can start thinking about your target market, Deborah. So you want to say, my target market are people that are suffering with low metabolism, low self-esteem. They're looking for ideas for exercising. They're looking for ideas for portion control. And then you start putting content out that is relevant to your target market. And those are the people that you would attract for attraction marketing. So to get more viewers is to meet their needs and make sure that you have valuable content. If you're putting up stuff that it's talking about how the process of making paper, and your target market are all people that are interested in weight loss, your target market aren't going to watch what you're watching. Does that make sense? Deborah, am I helping you out? Just give me a thumbs up or something so that I know I'm answering your question. So to get more viewers is to build yourself up by putting valuable content on your Facebook page. Also, I'll teach you some of this in boot camp, but that's the basic idea. The basic idea is to get more viewers is to put the right content in front of the right target market. Does that make sense? Give me a thumbs up. Deborah, did I answer your question? Does anybody else have a question on there before I go off today? I'm going to take a swig of my mango thing here. Any other questions out there? That was a great one, Deborah. Sometimes we just need to go over these concepts again and again and again. And, that's why it seems like we're repeating things a lot. Well, at this point, I'm going to go ahead and close the live. If you've got more questions, just drop them below. Again, if you need, hey, Penny, if you need some help with mindset, if you want to be involved in the boot camp coming up, it's a free attraction marketing boot camp, October 1st. Put boot camp below. I will send you the link. And if you got any other questions that I can help you with, just let me know. And feel free to follow, feel free to share, and feel free to comment below. I'd love having you all here. It is my honor and my joy to help you learn all things attraction marketing. If you're watching this on replay, put replay, and I'll be sure to reach out and say, hey, thank you so much for reaching out. Have a super, super great day. God bless you, and I'll look forward to the next time. Bye.